Frederick Owens. Mr. Owens, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're also charged with displaying a fictitious counterfeit or inspection sticker. On that one, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews of the state of Texas. Speaking out for the lawyer, a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. Okay.
Judge, on May 25th, 2024, a traffic stop was conducted on the vehicle for a vehicle with no front Texas license plate. Officers contacted the insurance provider of the insurance given by the defendant. The insurance company advised that the insurance policy does not come back to the defendant nor the defendant's vehicle. Furthermore, while removing the defendant from the vehicle, he had a handgun, a Smith & Wesson between his legs. Further, there was a holster in his waistband.
But the gun wasn't holstered.
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Owens, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, do you have a Texas driver license, sir? Do you have valid liability insurance in your name? I want proof before you leave here today to make sure before we allow you to drive. Do you understand? What do you do for a living?
I actually just got laid off at Beverage Plus and I'm full-time school, going to Lone Star right now.
When did you get fired?
It was right before the beginning of May, so the end of April. It's been right around April 20th. But then we got laid off just because they closed down two of the stores, the one in the Woodlands and the one in Tomball. And so they just didn't have the hours for me.
How are you supporting yourself now?
Just full-time student collecting disability from them.
What's the nature of your disability?
Depression, anxiety, night terrors, pancreatitis, and pain in both my knees and ankles.
And you actually get paid by the state for this?
Yes, sir.
How much do you get a month for
I
this?
get $2,200 a month.
$2,200. Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, Mr. Owens?
Yes.
Okay. I need you to fill out an application for you because I don't have one. Be honest on the application. I need to know everything about you, what kind of car you have, how many cars you have, any kind of property that you own. I need to know everything. Deputy Bo is going to give you the application. I'm going to have you go to Ramona, sign a reset, and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box. I want proof that you have actual liability insurance in your name before we allow you to drive today. I'll have you speak to a lawyer, and then through the lawyer, you can achieve that from us. Okay? Sure. Please.